In this short video, I will show you how I created this animation. I know most people know the basics of Cinema 4D, so I will go straight to the trick. If you need step-by-step tutorial, please comment down below. So right here I have a boolean which represents this part right here. It's the big part that is in the bottom here. I can turn this off. And a spoon extruded. So this one gives us the intersection between them. It's used as a subtract. And there is the other part, the bottom part, this one, which has the big part and the spoon as well. It's just the same, it's just a different operation. This one is intersect. So this is the trick, and then first I animated the spoon to get exactly to the part like this, and then for the rest I selected both of them, the spoon and the part that is going to be picked, and then I moved them together and I added the keyframe.